Click on the link below to get price. The Segway ZT3 Pro electric scooter presents itself as a modern solution for urban commuting and recreational travel. With an impressive top speed of 24.9 miles per hour, this scooter is designed to cater to a variety of riders seeking both efficiency and enjoyment. Its notable range of up to 43.5 miles on a single charge adds to its appeal, allowing for extended journeys without the constant need to recharge. One of the key features of the ZT3 Pro is its dual motor system, which enhances performance and allows for a more responsive riding experience. This dual motor capability can provide additional torque, particularly beneficial when navigating inclines or uneven terrain. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with a robust suspension system that aims to deliver a smooth and comfortable ride, even on less than ideal surfaces. The design of the ZT3 Pro is another aspect worth mentioning. It boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, making it visually appealing while also being practical. The frame is constructed from durable materials, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Furthermore, the scooter includes a user-friendly interface, featuring an LED display that provides real-time information such as speed, battery life, and mode settings. When it comes to usage, the Segway ZT3 Pro electric scooter is designed to be intuitive. Riders can easily switch between different speed modes, providing flexibility depending on the environment or riding preference. Whether navigating through busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride in a park, the scooter's adjustability caters to various situations. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with front and rear lights, enhancing visibility, particularly during low-light conditions. In terms of charging, the ZT3 Pro offers a convenient battery management system that makes recharging straightforward. Depending on the power source, users can expect to recharge the scooter in a reasonable timeframe, which is crucial for those who may rely on it for daily commuting. In conclusion, the Segway ZT3 Pro electric scooter presents an appealing option for riders searching for a balance between performance, comfort, and style. With its dual motor system, substantial range, and thoughtful design elements, it stands out as a viable choice for both urban transportation and leisurely rides.